What is the past perfect continuous tense? The past perfect continuous tense is a verb tense that is used to describe an action or event that was happening over a period of time in the past and continued up until a specific point in the past. It is formed by using the past perfect tense of the verb to have, had, and the present participle of the main verb. For example, I had been waiting for the bus for 2 hours when it finally arrived. In this sentence, the past perfect continuous tense is used to describe the action of waiting for the bus. The action of waiting had been going on for a period of time, 2 hours, and continued up until the specific point in time when the bus finally arrived. Here is another example. She had been working on that project for months before she finally finished it. In this sentence, the past perfect continuous tense is used to describe the action of working on that project. The action of working had been going on for a period of time, months, and continued up until the specific point in time when she finally finished the project. The past perfect continuous tense can also be used to describe an action that was in progress before another action in the past. For example, when I arrived, they had been arguing for hours. In this sentence, the past perfect continuous tense is used to describe the action of arguing. The action of arguing had been going on for a period of time, hours, and continued up until the specific point in time when I arrived. The past perfect continuous tense can be used to describe a variety of actions or events in the past, including an action that took a long time to happen, an action that was interrupted by another action, an action that was ongoing at a specific point in the past, an action that was repeated over a period of time. The past perfect continuous tense can be a bit tricky to use, but it is a very useful tense to know. It can help you to be more precise and detailed in your writing, and it can also help you to avoid ambiguity. Here are some additional tips for using the past perfect continuous tense. Use it sparingly. The past perfect continuous tense can be overused, so it is important to use it only when it is necessary. Be sure to use the correct verb tense. The past perfect continuous tense is different from the past perfect tense and the present perfect continuous tense. Pay attention to the context. The past perfect continuous tense can be used in a variety of contexts, so it is important to pay attention to the context in which it is being used. I hope this helps. Here are some additional examples of the past perfect continuous tense. The doctor had been examining the patient for over an hour when he finally made a diagnosis. The children had been playing in the park for several hours and it started to rain. The students had been working on their project for weeks when they finally finished it. The couple had been arguing for so long that they had forgotten what they were arguing about. I hope this helps to increase the length of my last answer and avoid repeating myself. Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.